Only 3% spot down payment, move-in ka na. Welcome to Tropics 4 at Philinvest East Homes, Cainta, Rizal. Good news mga kabahay, we have an exciting 595 Kaya Sulit promo this month. As much as 15% discount is available for cash in 30 days, 10% discount is available for 10% spot, 90% bank financing. We have 2 RFO units na house and lot package in Tropics 4 mga kabahay. Tara, check natin. This house mga kabahay is in Block 2 Lot 5 Tropics 4. It's a single detached tulip model house and lot. Facing south, ang floor area is around 83 square meter and ang lot area is 138 square meter. This house mga kabahay is located in Block 1 Lot 6 Tropics 4. It's a single detached tulip model house. Ang floor area is 83 square meter. Ang lot area is 115 square meter. And it's facing east. Take note mga kabahay, only 3% down payment is required to move in. And if you want to see the property, please contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. I'm Agent J. See you.